Hey there. Ever wonder why we hiccup? It's like our body's little mystery. Hiccups happen when your diaphragm gets a bit twitchy, causing that hitsy sound. But can you stop them? Absolutely. Try holding your breath or sipping water slowly. Some say a spoonful of sugar helps, but hey, everyone's different. Got your own trick? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what works for you. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your feedback means the world to me, so let me know what topics you want next.